We are going to crush some red peppers in our Krups coffee mill. We use this one for spices. We grew these in our garden and tried them. Let's see. If you do it for just a few seconds, it looks like crushed red pepper. If you do it for a bit longer, then it looks more like cayenne pepper. So it's not quite as coarse as if you were to buy it, but it's close. Certainly it can be used interchangeably. So anyway, there it is. The Krups Coffee Grinder being used for cayenne pepper. Just don't forget to subscribe to my channel where I demonstrate many vintage small appliances and kitchenwares. Thanks for watching.